thin skin, compact bunch, peppery, beautiful strawberries. This is Groppello. Would you care to find out how to learn about grape varieties? Come with me. The grape variety in any appellation, in any wine region, is a key factor in the quality of the wine. So Groppello is the backbone, the key variety of Valtènesi. It's a variety that was found, the first documents we're talking about Groppello as of the 1500s already. So what would you expect? Groppello, it's slightly like a Pinot Noir, so very delicate, very fragile, delicately fragile, a compact bunch variety. Of course, it's a variety that, according to where you plant it, is going to give you different wines. So winemakers that have got their vineyards closer to the lake will be looking for what? Lightness, transparency, and brightness. Those whose Groppello is instead planted towards the hills, on the hillsides, instead will be looking for more depth, like a larger and deeper kind of wine. Still in the rosé idea, because in this appellation you can find that right now 50% of the wines are rosé. It's gonna go towards more like 2/3 of the appellation will be rosé. Why? Because winemakers in this area believe that rosé is the best expression of the area. And that's why Valtènesi, for me, is one of the most serious, maybe the most serious rosé wine district in Italy. But going back to the variety, together with Groppello, winemakers are entitled to use Marzemino, Sangiovese and Barbera. But let's go back to the king of Valtènesi, Groppello. The delicacy, the fragility, very often is considered to be not a quality, right? But rather a fault. Instead, this is exactly where the strength of the wine is from. The fragility, you need to know how to handle it. And as a result, you'll be getting something that is actually only fragile and delicate on the nose, but then on the palate, the wine is actually very lingering, lots of acidity, with the great aging potential. Yes, some of these wines go through oak as well, adding up structure and length to the wine. I always talk too much, maybe. I'm thirsty right now. This is closer to the lake shore. I'm sure about it. No? You say it's not? Well, maybe next time we'll find out more about it. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.